All right, I want to show you something now. Not everything was destroyed in Michael's wake. See that house? Uh, it's almost like a sole architectural survivor there. And oddly enough, it's been ironically dubbed Sandcastle. And the owner of that home joins us right now, Dr. LeBron Lackey. And he and his uncle, Russell King, were key in building something that would be way, way, way above the standards that were accepted and indeed enforced in that community. Doctor, very good to have you.
Good to be with you, Neil. Our windows are hurricane windows by Custom Window Systems out of Ocala, Florida. They're and they took had two of those that broke, but they didn't fail. They when I say they broke, they're designed to fracture from the outside and still hold on the inside. And so we didn't take any wind in that way. We didn't take anything through the windows. When the aerial footage started coming in pretty soon after the storm had passed, I realized that the whole front of my house had stayed. And actually the whole house had stayed.
It is remarkable. You know, Doctor, a lot of people, as I said at the beginning, I know we got to go here, but have said that this is the future for those who want to prepare for more of these catastrophic events. And a lot of people are going to say, well, it's one thing for the doctor and his uncle to be able to absorb paying 15 or 20% more when building a home. I don't know whether a lot of home builders would agree with that. They might cut corners. What's your message to them?
Well, if your builder's cutting corners, my message to homeowners is to pay attention to your construction. We paid attention to every detail. My uncle's a detail guy, and I am too. And we were there quite frequently during the entire process, and made sure that things were, done the way they should.